I'm so humbled and honored today to be present in a meeting called by our acting executive director to see that we bring harmony and we agree on our way forward on this ongoing issue of the flooding versus the developments that were taking place downtown, as I am in the process of completing Nachivo Stadium. Like you all know, this is a facility that has been chosen to participate in AFCON 2027, and despite the fact that I've done a very good job on the inside, the outside is still lacking, including factors like we have surface running wastage that should be taken care of. And it was within the guidance of the CAF teams that came here that indeed we should find a solution of making sure that this surface water should run from the inside. For the stadium shall not qualify on an international standard as long as you have waste running on the surface. So for safety and sanity of the stadium, it was prudent for us to start embarking on working on the outside. But as guided, I've been put to stop on whatever I'm doing by KCC so that they come and give technical support and guidance on how it should be done. And I've welcomed the idea, and no one is above the law. So it is a very good thing that the institution or the authority is coming to give us a direction on how we can do it better. For the purpose of the church, there was another angle where the accusations that had blocked off the access to the church. I'll take this opportunity to thank the Archbishop of the Catholic Church for he guided wisely and told us that there are a few things we should implement to make sure that that particular Catholic historical church shouldn't be blocked in any form. And we agreed on perimeters and action we are going to take to make sure the church is fully accessible.